Hello guys, good evening. My name is Atala Shoprao Jambulkar and welcome back to my channel Invincible SAP ERP Solutions. So today in this tutorial we will see how to increase the number of SAP GUI sessions. So coming to the SAP system, I already open up the 6 GUI sessions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I click on to create new sessions, here the system shows the new pop-up which is maximum number of session reach. So how we can increase that sessions? When we can increase? Sometimes the user requirement is there, they want more than 6 session. So how we can increase that SAP GUI session in SAP system? Yes, there is a T code RZ11. What is their use? Their use for the profile parameter maintenance. So a simple enters in command bar. The T code is RZ11. Click on the enter and you have to put the parameters name. So the parameter name is rdisplay slash max underscore lt underscore modes. So if you forget, if you don't know the parameters name, you simple enters the rdisplay slash max, click on F4. So in the first line itself, it will show the parameters name which you want to increase the number of SAP GUI session. So click on that parameters name and click on OK and simply click on the display button, and here the all the informations will be shown, and their descriptions is the maximum number of alternative modes. Here you can see the already the current value is maintained is 6, so that when I hit the new sessions, the system generate the pop-up which is maximum number of session reach. How this come? This is come because of already maintained the current value is 6. So if you want 10 sessions, so simple go to change value, click on the change value, value is 10 and click on save button, and here the warning message will come, the change is not permanent and it will be lost when the server is restarted. When the idea server is restarted, that time the maximum number of session will be 6 came automatically. So click on the OK. So the now the current value is updated as 10. So now we have to log out the system as changes is reflected in that system. So system and the log out. Click on the log out. Once your data will be lost, do you want to log out? So again now you have to log in. The server is slow. Yes, yes. Now we will see the changes is reflected or not. So I click on the create sessions. Now we will see the changes has been reflected or not. It's a 6 session already open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I click on the create session, the new session is open. As you see here, 1, 2, 3. The 8th session is being open. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, we have to click on the create sessions. The ninth session will be open. Yeah, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But my suggestion is don't increase that SAP GUI session. Keep minimum GUI section while you're doing practice, because while you doing the practice, the speed of the system is getting very slow. That's why the SAP also suggests keep session as minimum as possible. This is all about how to increase the number of SAP GUI sessions. My videos, so please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the new video update. Thank you. Thank you so much.